Today's video was a request by Cupcake Monster, who said, I'm terrible at actually using my planner day to day and reviewing my goals. Would you please go over your daily, weekly, monthly routine? Today I'll be discussing my daily, weekly, and monthly routines for using my planners and keeping them updated. When it comes to using your planner, consistency is definitely key. I make it a point to set aside a specific time each day to use and check on my planner by building it into my daily and weekly routines. In general, placing your planner in a central location in your home so that it's easily accessible and in your line of sight is a great way to get into the habit of regularly using your planner. I like to keep my planner open to the current week at all times also so that I can easily check it and update it. In terms of daily routines, I will check my planner in the morning to see what I have scheduled and immediately when I get home from work so I know what tasks I need to get done. I have time blocks built into my day where I work on the tasks that are listed in my planner during those time blocks, and then I come back and check off the tasks in my planner as I complete them and then look to see what needs to get done next. In terms of my weekly routine, I like to plan out my weeks on Sunday evenings so I can go into my work week knowing what needs to get done. Especially because I tend to be really tired when I get home from work and I don't necessarily feel like planning. And just to keep everything organized, I'd like to create an insert for my planner, like the one you see me setting up here, where I write out what my planning routines are and when I need to update each planner. I use inserts like this one as a reference as I am planning out my weeks, so I don't forget when I need to update my planners. So at the top here, I have my daily and weekly planning routine. So my home planner is kind of like my home base for all my planners. So it makes sense for me to say when I need to update the other planners in this planner. So every evening in my home planner, I need to migrate the incomplete tasks to the next day. In my work planner, I also need to migrate the incomplete tasks to the next day when I'm at work. For my other planners, I just need to check off any completed tasks. Then one time per week, I have things that I need to do in terms of planning. So every Friday is when I follow my weekly planning routine in my work planner. Every Sunday is when I follow my weekly planning routine in my home planner. I'm going to link the videos that go into detail on my weekly planning routines in my home planner and work planners down below in case you're interested in that. The other two planners only get updated once a month, and that's actually addressed in this section. So on the first Saturday in my home planner, that's when I plan out my social media content and my filming schedule for the following month. On the second Saturday, that's when I update my faith planner for the following month. On the third Saturday, when I update the health fitness meal planner and I create a new meal plan and I set up a new workout schedule. On the fourth Saturday is when I process this month's list, meaning that the tasks that didn't get done get migrated to either a future month or they get moved to the someday maybe list or they just get deleted or delegated to someone else. And then I also set up the monthly spread and I transfer any scheduled items into the monthly spread. If you want to get 5 ideas for using your planner and get access to these 3 free printable planning routine inserts, check out this video next, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!